Okay, question number 7. First one, draw the graph of the following equation and identify their slopes and y-intercepts. And also find the coordinate of the points where these lines cut y-axis. Okay, where the line cuts y-axis, we have to find it out. So we have to draw the graph for following 1, 2, 3, 4 equations are given. And are the lines are parallel? They are asked. Okay, if you want to draw the line for all the equations, you have to find out minimum 2 points for each equation. Okay, for each equation you have to find out 2 points. Okay, we know how to find out the points, right? I'm not going to do it for all the cases. I'm going to do it for only 2 conditions. So 2 equation I'm going to draw and check are any lines are parallel, or any lines are parallel. So we already learned if the line should be parallel means the a value should be equal. A value should be fixed. Here any a values are equal. Actually here the general form should be y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, just remember the general form. Okay, general form is equal to y is equal to ax plus b is the general form of linear equation. First one is in the form of linear equation. But here second one is, you see, 2y is coming. Okay, second equation we have 2y. Actually we should have only y. That's why I'm just going to divide 2 with both the sides. So that we'll be getting the equation in the form of y is equal to ax plus b. If I divide 2, so 2 will get cancelled. I'm just dividing with 2. Okay, divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. So the equation will become y is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, 2x plus 7 by 2. Okay, this equation will become like this. Now third equation, here 5y is there. So I have to just divide with 5. Just divide with 5. Okay, divide with 5. Here also just divide with 5. Now this equation will become y is equal to 6 by 5x minus 10 by 5 is 2. Now in the fourth equation we have 3y. So I have to eliminate 3. So I just divide by 3. Okay, here also just divide by 3. Here also just divide by 3. So I will be getting y is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, 2x minus 11 by 3 I am getting. Okay, now this is already having y only. I am just writing y is equal to minus 3x plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Now, okay, all the 4 equation is changed in the form of standard form y is equal to ax plus b. Now we have to draw the graph for all the 4 equations, right? And they are asking are any lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, if the a value is equal, okay, just see out of this 4 equation, we have the a values are equal for second, here 2, here 2. For these 2 equation only we have a is equal to 2. Here also a is 2, here also a is 2. Only for these 2 equation will be getting parallel line. Only for these 2 equation will be getting parallel line. Okay, balance 2 questions, you can find out the points and plot the point. Okay, you may get the line. I'm going to check with only for equation number 2 and 4 whether you are going to get parallel line. So next they are asking identify their slope and y-intercept. Okay, so slope means a value, y-intercept means b value. This I already explained. Okay, for the first equation, okay, for the first question slope, okay, slope is equal to, slope is nothing but a value. What is a value? Minus 3. Slope. And y-intercept nothing but b value. Okay, y-intercepts. So y-intercept is equal to b value. So b value is 4. The same as second equation, right? The second equation you can just find out what is slope and what is, okay, yes, for the second equation slope is equal to 2. Okay, slope is equal to 2. And y-intercept will be having, y-intercept is 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Okay, now slope is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, y-intercept is minus 2. Slope is equal to 2. Okay, so y-intercept is nothing but so b value. So b value is minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. Hope you can understand what is slope and what is y-intercept. Now next, and also find the coordinate of the points where these lines cut y-axis. Okay, where this line cuts y-axis, we have to find out. So equation number 2 I am just drawing. Okay, equation number 2 is given as equation number 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 7 by 2. Okay, y is equal to, so 2x plus 7 by 2. First case I am going to choose let x is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 0. If it's x is equal to 0, you will be getting y is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, x is equal to 0, which means, okay, this will become 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Y is equal to, you will be getting 7 by 2. 7 by 2, which means 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Now the point, okay, the point it will be, so first point is 0, 3.5. 0, 3.5 is the first point. Next, second point. Okay, next I'm just choosing let x is equal to 1. Okay, let x is equal to 1 means, okay, you may get decimal again. Okay, we'll just check. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means we'll be getting y is equal to, so 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 plus, okay, 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. Correct? So 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. So 2 plus 3.5, you'll be getting 5.5. Okay, 5.5. That means the point. Okay, the point it will be x is equal to 1 means 1 comma 5.5. Okay, 1 comma 5.5. I can just plot a point for this. 0 comma 3.5. This is 0 comma 3.5. 3.5 means it will be coming here. 3.5. Next 1 comma 5.5. 1 comma 5.5. This is 5. This is 5.5. Correct? So I can just join the point. Okay, join. Yes, it's joining. Okay, so this is one of the line. The same ways I have to do it for fourth question. I'm just doing for fourth one. Okay, fourth, I need the extra page. Okay, fourth one I'm doing it. Question number 4. Fourth equation is given. So y is equal to 2x minus 11 by 3. Okay, 2x minus 11 by 3. First I'm just choosing let x is equal to, what can I choose? Let x is equal to 0, y value. Okay, y is equal to, this will become 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, we'll be getting minus 11 by 3. Okay, minus 11 by 3 is nothing but minus. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, balance will be having 2. It will become 20. Right, so you'll be getting 3 6 are 18. 3.66 it will proceed. Right, so we can just make it a 3.6. Okay, now the points it will be, okay, the points x is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 3.6. It's just over. Next I'm just choosing x is equal to 1. Okay, if I choose x is equal to 1, let x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means it will become y is equal to 2 minus, okay, 11 by 3. Okay, 2 minus 11 by 3. So if you are just checking us, okay, so 11 by 3, we can just take approximately 3.6. 3.6. So which implies we'll be getting 2 minus 3.6 is minus 1.6. Correct? Now therefore the points it will be, the point is 1 comma 1.6. Okay, 1 comma 1.6. We'll just plot a point. 0 comma minus 3.6. This is 0 comma minus 3.6. 3.6 means right. Okay, approximately I'm just taking here. Okay, 3.6. Second one is 1 comma minus 1 point. This 1 comma minus 1.6. Okay, okay, exactly. It may come here 1.6. Now we can just join the points. Okay, just join. If you are just joining, exactly it's coming as parallel. Correct. Now these two lines are parallel. They are asking, are any lines are parallel? Yes, these two lines are parallel. So what is the parallel line? So I am just striking as, okay, second and, so are there any parallel lines? Yes. Okay, parallel lines are, I am just writing as second and, okay, second and fourth equation. Okay, second and fourth equations are parallel line. Hmm? Okay, they are asked the right, find the coordinates of the point where these lines cut y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but y-intercept. 0, comma 7 by 2. Here 0, comma minus 11 by 3. That is the answer for, okay, the coordinates of the point where the line cuts y-axis. Okay. So y-axis means it will be in the form of here. They are asking y-axis means the point on y-axis always is in the form of 0, comma y. Just remember this. The point on y-axis it will be 0, comma y. With the points on x-axis means x, comma 0. Okay, keep remembering these 2 points. If any points on x-axis means x, comma 0. For example, this is 1, comma 0, 2, comma 0, 3, comma 0, 4, comma 0. It will be on x-axis. On y-axis means this is 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2, 0, comma 3, 0, comma 4. So 0, comma 1. So 0, comma y in general. Question number 8. If the temperature of the liquid can be measured in Kelvin units as xk and the Fahrenheit units as y degree Fahrenheit, the relationship between the two systems of measurement of temperature is given by the linear equation y is equal to 9 by 5 into x minus 273 plus 32. Okay, linear equation is given in the question. So find the temperature of the liquid in Fahrenheit if the temperature of the liquid is 313 Kelvin. Okay, the temperature of the liquid is given 313 Kelvin. Okay, now first you just write the equations. So linear equation is given. Okay, given y is equal to 9 by 5. So 9 by 5. Okay, 9 by 5 x minus 273. Okay, plus 32. Now, first case is given the temperature of the liquid is 313 K. That means x is equal to 313. We have to take and find out y value. Okay, y is nothing but temperature we are going to find out. Okay, first you just take x is equal to 313. Okay, so now y is equal to, this is first question. Okay, first one, y is equal to 9 by 5. Okay, into in the place of x, I am going to choose 313. 313 minus 273 plus 32. If you simplify, you will be getting the y value. Okay, 9 by 5. Now, 313 minus 273 is 40. Okay, plus 32. Now, we can just simplify it. 1 5s are 5, 8 5s are. Now, so 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 32. Okay, 70 plus 30 is 100. So 104. Now y value, okay, y is equal to 104. That means the temperature of the liquid in Fahrenheit, y is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, therefore the temperature, I can just write therefore the temperature. So temperature is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, first question answer is over. Okay, now the second one. Second question, What they asked, if the temperature is 158 Fahrenheit, temperature is given. So find the temperature in Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin is denoted by X. Okay, and Fahrenheit is given different. Okay, here Fahrenheit is given. That means Y value is given 158. We have to find out X value. Second question, you have to find out X value. In the place of Y, we have to take it as 158 Fahrenheit. Okay. Second question also, I'm just writing the given equation. Y is equal to 9 by 5. Okay, 9 by 5. X minus 273. Okay, plus 32. Now in the place of Y, I have to take it as 158. Okay, why? Because okay, temperature is given in Fahrenheit. 158 Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5. Here X value we have to find out, X minus 273 plus 32. 158 minus 32. Okay, 158 minus 32. So 9 by 5 into X minus 273. Okay. Now 158 minus 32 is 126. Yes, right. We'll be having 126 is equal to now 9 by 5 into X minus 273. Okay, now we can just bring this for 9 by 5 to this side. So it will become, okay, reciprocal and it will become multiplication. So 126 into, okay, 9 by 5, it will become 5 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9 is equal to X minus 273. Okay, so now if you are just cancelling with 9 table, can we cancel? 1 9s are 9. Okay, 1 9s are 9. Balance. Okay, 9, 3. Okay, balance 3, it will become 36 and 4 9s are. 4 9s are. Now 14 into 5. Okay, you are just getting balances. So 14 5s are, 14 5s are 70 is equal to X minus 273. Now just take minus 273 to this side. So it will become 70 plus 273 is equal to X value. Okay, X is equal to 343. Okay, X is equal to 343 is the answer. Okay, therefore they are asking the temperature in Kelvin. Okay, the temperature will be in Kelvin. Therefore, the temperature in Kelvin for the second one. So temperature is equal to 343. Okay, Kelvin. Okay, K. Hope you can understand this question. Now, question number 9. The work done by a body on application of constant force is the product of constant force and the distance traveled by the body in direction of the force. Okay, that means work done. They given the formula work done is equal to constant force. Product means into. Okay, constant force into the distance. That is a formula. Okay, so work done formula is force into distance, right? So just remember this formula, force into distance is equal to work done. That is given. So express this in the form of linear equation, two variable, as work is equal to W, distance is D, and draw its graph by taking the constant force is 3 units. Okay, constant force is 3 units. What is the work done when the distance travel is 2 units? So verify it by plotting on the graph. First, right, so work done formula is given that, right? So force into distance. Okay, force into distance is the formula for work. Right, according to the question, work done is given as, okay, W. We just take it as W. Distance travel, we have to take it as D. Constant force. Okay, constant force is given 3 units. Okay, 3 units is given. Therefore, the work done, just apply it in the formula. Work done is equal to force is, what is force? Force is given 3 into, so the distance we are just taking as D. Okay, distance we are taking as D. Therefore, right, so work done, W is equal to 3D. W is equal to 3D. Now this is the linear equation. So work done is equal to 3 times D. Okay, 3 into distance. Okay, what is the work done when the distance travel is 2 units? Okay, when it's travel 2 units, what is the work done? Okay, now we have to find out work done. Okay, work done is equal to, so 3 into distance. If distance is 2 units, so in the place of distance you have to take it as 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so work done is equal to 6 units if distance is equal to 2 units. So I'm just writing if D is equal to 2 units. Now we have to plot the point and verify the relation. They ask us to verify it by plotting the point on the graph. Okay, so for this you have to draw the graph, which is the equation W is equal to 3D. Now this is the standard linear equation. Here B value is 0, therefore, okay, definitely this will passes through the origin. We can just remember, we can just say that this is going to be passes through the origin. Okay, so for plotting the point, now this is the equation. Okay, W is equal to 3D. W is equal to 3D. For this, I'm just going to take let D is equal to 0 first. Let D is equal to 0. D is 0 means you'll be getting W also 0. Correct? D is 0 means, so W also 0. That means what is the first point? 0, comma 0. 0, comma 0. First point. Next, I can just take D is equal to 1. Let D is equal to 1. D is equal to 1 means, so W is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. Therefore, the point it will be 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3. That should come 6. Okay, so I'm just going with this. It's fine. Now, next, if D is equal to 2. Okay, if D is equal to 2, what do you have to take? I have to take D is equal to 2. I'm just doing it here. If D is equal to 2 also, we have to check. Okay, let, if D is equal to 2, then W is equal to 3 2s are 6. Okay, so you'll be getting the point it will be 2, comma 6. This one you no need to plot. Okay, by the verification you have to check. If it's 2 units, where is intersecting? Here, 2, comma 6. Correct? The point, this point is what? 2, comma 6. That means, right, if the distance is 2, okay, work done is 6 unit. Exactly is coming correct. Okay, therefore the verification is over. Okay, the verification is over. Now question number 10. The graph of the linear polynomial P of x passes through the point 1, comma 5 and 3, comma 11. Find the polynomial P of x. Okay, here we have to find the polynomial P of x. Okay, so 2 points are given. So in general, we know the linear equation. Okay, so the linear equation or linear pattern, we know that y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to ax plus b. This is the linear equation. Just consider this is y is equal to ax plus b. From this, okay, I'm just taking this is first one, first equation. In this first, we'll just substitute 1, comma 5. Okay, 1, comma 5. Next, we'll be just substituting 3, comma 11. We'll be getting 2 equation. We have to solve the 2 equation and we have to find out what is A and B. After finding A and B, we have to substitute in this equation. So that will be our required polynomial. Okay, actually first one is given 1, comma 5, right? So the given point, okay, point is given. What is the point is given first? 1, comma 5. 1, comma 5 is nothing but this is x value. This is y value, x coordinate, y coordinate. Now just substitute in the place of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, right? Now y is equal to 5 means what will come? 5 is equal to a into x is equal to 1, okay, plus b. Now just simplify it. 5 is equal to a into 1 is a plus b. Okay, if you are just interchanging and writing, this will be nothing but a plus b is equal to 5. Okay. Now this is I'm just taking a second equation. Okay, second. Next, what are you going to take? 3 comma 11. Okay, 3 comma 11. Okay, the point is 3 comma 11. If the point is 3 comma 11, that means this is x value, this is y value. Okay, in the place of x you substitute 3, y is equal to 11, right? Okay, from equation number 1 I'm just writing this. In the place of y is equal to 11, okay, 11 is equal to a into x value is 3 plus b. Just simplify it. 11 is equal to a into 3 is 3a plus b. So interchange and write, you will be getting 3a plus b is equal to 11. Now this is our third equation. I have to simplify second and third equation so that I will be getting a and b value. After getting a and b value, I have to substitute in the first equation. I will be getting a linear polynomial. Okay, how to solve the equation? We can just use elimination method. Okay, here plus b, here also plus b. So what I have to do? I have to subtract. Okay, I'm going to subtract equation number 3 and 2. Okay, equation number 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. So that b value get eliminated. So third equation is given as 3a. Okay, 3a plus b is equal to 11. Now second equation, that is a plus b is equal to 5. Now we have to just subtract. Okay, subtract means you have to change the sign. So change the sign, change, change, change. If I change the sign, plus b minus b, it will become 0. 3a minus a, it will become 2a. 2a is equal to 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 2a is equal to 6. That means a is equal to 6 by 2. A is equal to 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Now I got a is equal to 3. I can just substitute any one of the equation, either second equation or third equation. I think second equation is simple equation. I'm just substituting in second equation. I'm just substituting a is equal to 3. So 3 plus b is equal to 5. Okay, which means so b is equal to 5 minus 3. Okay, b is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. Now we can just substitute in first equation. We'll be getting a polynomial, okay, linear polynomial. Okay, so therefore, now equation number 1, okay, substitute a and b value in equation number 1, okay, substitute value. So equation number 1 is equal to y is equal to a value 3, okay, 3x plus b value 2, okay. Now this is our required polynomial, okay, now this is our required polynomial. So 3x plus 2 is our required polynomial. So they are asking p of x. So therefore we can write instead of, okay, y is equal to, we can just write it as p of x. So polynomial of x. P of x is equal to 3x plus 2. This is our linear polynomial. Okay, next, find the coordinate where the graph p of x cuts the axis. Axis means where is cutting x-axis and where is cutting y-axis. We have to find out. Okay, second question, and draw the p of x and verify your answer. For this also you have to draw the graph and you have to check the answer. Y-intercept is nothing but here is what? 2. Okay, 2 is the y-intercept. Okay, b value, b is nothing but y-intercept. Now therefore the point, okay, the point on y-axis, it will be 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. Next, for finding x-intercept means x-intercept x-intercept is in the form of x comma 0 will come. Okay, x comma 0. That means in the place of y we have to take it as 0. Okay, just substitute y is equal to 0. That means just equate this to 0. So you'll be getting x value. Okay, from this we have to take y is equal to 0. Okay, so y is equal to 0 means what will come here? From this I'm just doing it here. Okay, so y is 0 means 0 is equal to 3x plus 2. Take this 2 to this side, plus 2 it will become minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 3x. Take this 3 to this side, so what will come? Minus 2 by 3 is equal to x. X value is minus 2 by 3. So what is the point now? The point, it will be minus 2 by 3 comma 0. So these are the points where the coordinates of the p of x cuts the x-axis. Cut the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is minus 2 by 3 comma 0. Y-axis is 0 comma 2. Now we have to draw the graph and verify your answer. So how to verify, draw the graph? So we have to find out the 2 points. So let's find 2 points. Okay, what is the equation? So equation is given y is equal to 3x plus 2. First I'm just choosing. Okay, let x is equal to 0. Okay, let x is equal to 0 means, so y is equal to 3 into 0, y is equal to 2. Okay, therefore the point it will be 0 comma 2. First one. Next you choose let x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, which implies y is equal to, x is equal to 1 means 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore the point it will be 1 comma 5. Okay, 1 comma 5. So let's plot the point 0 comma 2. Okay, 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. This is 0 comma 2. 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. This is my 1 comma 5. Okay, so now I just extend the line. Okay, extend the line. Okay, so I'm just extending the line, this and this side also. So I'm just drawing the line. Okay, point, I'm just drawing the line. Now we have to check whether these 2 points are lying on the same line. 0 comma 2, where is it? 0 comma 2? We'll check verification. 0 comma 2 we have drawn, right? 0 comma 2. Okay, this is on the same line. Okay, 0 comma 2. Next, minus 2 by 3 comma 0. Minus 2 by 3 means what will come? Okay, 0.6. Okay, 0.6 means, yes, here this we can take it as 0. Minus 0.6 comma 0. Correct? Minus 0.6 comma 0. And next one is, next point is 0 comma 2. Okay, second point is here. So both the points are lying on the same line. So therefore our verification is over. 1 comma 5. If you are drawing 1 comma 5, yes, now this is 1 comma 5. Next one is 3 comma 11. So 3 comma 11 means, so we should get, okay, 3 comma 11 also you can just, if you are extending, it will be, you will be getting 3 comma 11. Yes, that also we can do it.